and manage everything easily from one place. If you're still tracking rent in registers or Excel sheets, this is going to make your life a lot easier. Most owners that we have talked to say that they face the same problems. Rent tracking is messy, it is hard to know which beds are free, complaints are missed or forgotten, and too much is done manually. That is exactly why we created CoLiv Manager for you. So let me give you a quick walkthrough of the software. So this is your dashboard. So you can see a lot of tabs like CoLiv, rooms, tenants, payments and all. So now let's see how to add a new co-living space. So all you need to do is you just need to come to this CoLiv tab and click on new, which will give you a pop-up like this. So let's say that our co-living space's name is ABC. We are going to type in that and you just need to put in your address, and let's say that the total capacity of our co-living space is 100, so let's keep it as 100. And the type of co-living space, it's let it be men's, women's or co-ed,